Hey guys, it's Laashak again in a new tech video. So today we're not gaming again. I told you guys we're doing a new unboxing. So here we have the wireless USB dongle, which is used for old PCs, Mac, and yeah, maybe not Mac, but like this looks like that. So this is a USB dongle which is used to connect Bluetooth. So it says wireless. Okay, so this is the box itself. We can just remove that for the moment, keep it aside. So it's really like not a big and fascinating packaging. It just comes out easily. So as you can see, we have the USB right here. We'll just pull this out, open the box itself. Okay, we just open the box itself. We have this here, which is a 2-year warranty card. We're gonna keep it. So activate within 15 days. So I should activate it within 15 days, which I'm gonna do soon. This is just the user manual, and we're gonna keep it aside. I can feel a CD in it. Yes, we do have a CD which comes with it. We're gonna keep the CD aside. We also have the dongle itself, which is stuck at the other side of the box. So I'm trying to remove it. I'll just remove it. So this is it, guys. It just came out of the box from here. So this is the Bluetooth USB dongle, which is used to connect your phone and your if you have like AirPods or some other Bluetooth speakers or something, you can use it to connect. And yeah, guys, so that's it for the unboxing video of this USB dongle right here. It's a pretty small video, and yeah, next we're gonna try inserting it into my PC, like one of my old ones which I don't use anymore for gaming, but like so these are the stuff that was included in the box. So I guess this is the Bluetooth driver. We should install it, I guess. Let's try using it. Before all that, I'll read the user manual to know how to use the USB properly. Guys, it's Laashak. So just before ending the video, I wanted to say like this video because it took a lot of editing work, and feel free to subscribe to get new content, and also comment on this video about the next like content recommendations. You can also say me things to review on my next video, and feel free to follow my Instagram to know about updates on my next video. I also update thumbnails on my